Norway.
Wow. Some gnarly storm, huh? It's actually really pretty. It's okay. It'll be okay.
Help me. Help me.
Hey, sweetie pie. It's okay.
I actually really
I'll tell you if something was wrong, okay? Give me a kiss. It's okay. Don't be scared, sweetie pie. It's just lightning storm.
a really bad one.
No.
You want me to get in the laundry room?
Well, if we need to, we will, baby. But it's not. There's no tornado, and there's no tornado sirens.
It's bad if I hit our house.
Be really far away, and it looks like it's just.
How come it's going really close to the houses?
How come what is?
It looks like it's going really close to the houses.
Well, it may be, sweetie.
It just hit a house.
Well, it could be hitting houses.
And they're starting on fire, right? Are they starting on fire?
No, not necessarily, baby.
It looks like it. It just felt like an earthquake.
It was thunder. Thunders. I've never seen a lightning storm like this before.
I don't want to see a lightning storm like this ever again.
It's pretty spectacular, though, isn't it? I know it might be a little bit scary, but isn't it pretty?
Kind of. How do you know?
Look at that! It's amazing.
No, it's not. What if that hit our house?
Then we'll be like firemen. We'll go get a hose and we have a fire extinguisher and put it out.
What if it was on our roof and you did it? I wouldn't let you go up on the roof.
No, I wouldn't go. Just leave.
If there was a thunderstorm, why couldn't it be just like in this morning? It'd be better. So then we can miss school. Right now, we could be over it. Just hit that out.
No, it didn't, baby. It's far away.
It doesn't look far away.
Well, it's farther away than you think it is.
When you go down a couple streets and you see it there. It's coming our way though.
No, baby, it's not. Just think of those people that get in their car and their shows and they go chasing after the tornadoes and the, thunderstorms. Have you ever seen that?
Yeah.
Storm chasers?
Yeah.
Can you imagine?
So they get so close to them.
Can you imagine how crazy that would be?
I'd be like, no. I bet one of them died before. Probably. Somebody's probably getting there right now going to chase up these. But we're going to see some.
That one got pretty close, didn't it? It seemed like. I think that's going to be over by, still be like Farmer's Branch. I think that's pretty much it, huh? Or maybe not.
Daddy, where do we put our fish?
It's the last thing I'm going to be worrying about, Caitlin.
How rude. It's a living animal.
You can get the fish. I'll take care of everything else, okay?
Well, where do I put the fish?
I don't know. It's up to you.
I just want to leave them there.
You'd be better off there. Definitely.
Yeah. Is that it? No, not it. That was